So how to update your Instagram Messenger and have it linked to the Facebook Messenger in this new feature. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that, so follow up with me. First, of course, we need to go ahead and make sure you have your apps updated. So we go to your Play Store or App Store and make sure you have your Instagram app updated to start with. So as you can see here, there is no update button. That means I'm good to go. From there, go ahead and make sure you have your Messenger app installed and also updated. If you have it installed already, of course, just make sure you have it updated and you should be good to go from there. Once you have it installed and updated, as I said before, go ahead and quit and go to Instagram. Once you open Instagram, tap on the profile picture in the bottom right corner and then tap on the three lines in the top right corner. From this menu, tap on settings and privacy. Once it takes you here, tap on the update messaging button in the top. It will take you here, tap on the update button, blue one right there. You should see something that looks like this at the end. That means you have done it successfully, and that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.